Hi YouTube, welcome to Wes Picks. Today it's not a picking video. I'm going to show how I get for a partial tang, and a full tang, so just cut all the way through, on let's get this in focus, on a piece of, this is a piece of pen blank. I can't show you the pick tip because it is actually for somebody. But what it is it's already drilled. This is punched, and then I drill through the blank and use that as a guide. So what we're going to do is I'll take you through how I cut the straight line. I use this Gayakucho Japanese saw. Let's see if I can get that better. A bit focused, a bit zoomed in at the moment, but it's got a coarse side for cutting along the grain, but I'm not going to use the coarse side, although I am cutting along the grain, and then a fine side. And I mark a line straight down the middle, down roughly to where I want to go as far as the tang reaches, and then see if I can get this on film. What we do is we just start on the line, and kind of get a line marked. And what you want to do is try and get the line, just get the cut along the top. It's a bit tight, a bit of a lower angle. Along the top and then down the front as close to the line as possible. And then what you'll do, you'll find that that actually guides the saw. And by using a Japanese saw, what it does, because it's got such a fine blade, it's just enough for a pick tip to fit in there, so you're not stressing the wood too much by pulling it apart. Just keep along the top. And what I'll do is I'll turn it over in a minute. And hopefully we'll end up with a straight line. Okay, I'll turn it over now so we can get a guide on the other side. That way, sort of make sure you don't wander off. It's quite a hard wood, this. I'd say by marking the lines with the saw to start with, that's giving you a guide then. Just nice gentle strokes, obviously backwards and forwards, it's a saw. Down to the line. Okay, now we can put it vertically now. I think we're doing all right. So it would just be typical that on video I fuck it right up. So now we've got this guide. So we're getting close to the line. Okay, so I'll zoom out a little bit. It's not too bad. And what we do, we try the pick tip in there. Might need a little bit more adjusting. I don't even know which way that. Okay, so it's upside down. Just need to go a little bit more. Back in with the salt. When you're getting close to the line, you just keep trying it. It's almost there. One more very gentle stroke. As you can see, the blade goes in there really quite snugly. And what we do, we get a rivet. He's still not quite there actually. You get your rivet, you try it through the hole. So still a little bit more. Like I say, it's better to just keep trying it than it is to just go straight through and then you end up too deep and you end up filling it up with epoxy. So it looks like we're pretty good. So one rivet in, chuck the other rivet away. Oh well, I've just lost the rivet. So anyway, as we can see, the holes line up. If we can get that square on. I don't think that's too bad a job at all. So I hope that helped. I'm probably not describing it very well, but I won't show the pic too much. But yeah, there you go. It's not too bad. Probably would have gone better if I wasn't filming it. But anyway, I do hope that helps, because I know a few people struggle with getting a nice straight cut down through the handle. And that is how I do it. I'm not saying that's how everybody does it, but that's my technique. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much.